Guys, tingnan nyo to. Kinurunahan na ang bagong Ginoong Yugnyugan 2024 na si Ray Andres Gregorio from General Luna, Quezon. Sa ginanap na Ginoo at Binibining Yugnyugan 2024 last night, August 9, 2024 at Quezon Convention Center, Lucena City. He bested among other 24 makikisig na Ginoo sa ginanap na finale ng kompetisyon. He is also a Hakot Award King that bags most of the special awards. The Ginoo Best in Production Attire, Ginoo Best in Formal Wear, Ginoo Best in Festival Costume Designer, and Ginoo Best in Formal Wear Designer. Guys, ipinakita niya ang kanyang galing, lalo na sa kanyang speech na talaga namang tatatak sa mga Quezonian at sa kanyang final Q&A na talaga namang mapapamangha kayo, and no doubt, he is the newly crowned Ginoong Yugnyugan 2024. At ito guys, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Ito ang wake up ng kanyang bold and amazing performance. Panoorin natin to.
General Luna, Naipo, Nils.
Ang kagandahang you'll never ever forget. Every time I close my eyes, I remember all these handsome faces, the charming confidence, the powerful stance they bring from miles away. What can I say?
Production attire, and he is none other than Ginoong Yugnyugan number 10, Ray Gregorio from General Luna.
And our Binibining Yugnyugan Best in Production Attire is Binibini!
Our Ginoong Best in Formal Wear is Ginoo number 10, Ray Gregorio from General Luna.
And our Binibining Yugnyugan Best in Formal Wear is Binibini! All right, congratulations to our winners.
So our Best in Festival Costume Designer for our Ginoos is for Ginoo number 10, Ray Gregorio from General Luna, designed by Roy Aquino.
The winners to please come up on stage to receive the awards. So we have here on stage Sir Roy Aquino.
Formal wear designer who will receive 10,000 pesos. Let us start with the Ginoos. Our best informal wear designer is Ginoo number Ginoo number 10, Ray Gregorio from General Luna, designed by Gary Roses.
We call also on stage the designers who won this award to receive the prize and award for this night as the best designer for the formal wear.
And to present the award, may we call on Honorable Angelo Eduarte together with Honorable Vinet Alcala Naka.
All right, get ready for your supporters to scream Ginoo number 10 from General Luna.
Tagumpay for all. Education is the key to unlocking the potential within every child, regardless of their background. As we gather here for the Nagyugan Festival, let's remember the children of our hard-working farmers who dream just as big as those in more privileged circumstances. Every child deserves the chance to excel and achieve their dreams. We must ensure that they too can soar to heights they never imagined. Together, let's create a future where every child, whether rich or poor, has equal opportunities to succeed. Ang aking pangarap, bawat kabataan, mayaman o mahirap, pantay-pantay nakakapangarap.
Our first Ginoong Nyugyugan top 5 placer is Ginoo Ginoong General Luna.
You've been awarded so many awards kanina. Would you mind to say hi to your supporters?
Sobrang salamat, General Lunahin. Mayor, family ko dyan, sobrang salamat.
Okay? All right. So this is your question. Please listen carefully. I will read it in English and Tagalog. And take note that they do not have a time limit. So you can express your thoughts. All right. Nyugyugan Festival is a celebration not only of the agricultural produce, but also of the diverse culture and tradition of Quezon Province. What activity will you suggest to further promote Quezon's culture and the arts through Nyugyugan Festival? In Tagalog, ang Nyugyugan Festival ay selebrasyon hindi lamang ng yaman sa agrikultura, kundi maging sa napakaraming kultura at tradisyon sa ating lalawigan. Anong gawain ang maaari mong idagdag sa pagdiriwang na ito upang mas mapalawak ang pagpapakilala ng kultura at sining ng ating lalawigan sa pamamagitan ng Nyugyugan Festival?
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ipopromote ko ang ating slogan na Tara na sa Quezon. Dahil Tara na sa Quezon is not just a slogan for me, but an invitation to explore Quezon's diversity. In relation to Thousand Colors of Quezon, it refers to stunning landscapes, rich cultures, delicious cuisines, and at the same time, warm hospitality. That Quezon Province is a destination worth visiting. And I have this idea in my head to uplift and elevate Quezon to the world. Because I believe we are not just first class. We are world class. And I want to influence many people. And for someone to be influential, we must embody the core values that align with this celebration. And that is dedication, resilience, and community spirit. And as an aspiring Ginoong Nagyugan, I aim to use this platform to inspire others, mostly the youth, to engage more deeply in our cultural practices and contribute positively to our society. Thank you.
All right, thank you and congratulations, Ginoong General Luna. Our Ginoong Niyugyugan 2024 from General Luna, Ray Aldrich Gregorio.
And to present the award, may we call on Governor Dr. Helen Tan together with Vice Governor 3rd Alcala and the reigning Ginoo at Binibining Niyugyugan 2023, Christian Ariola from Real and Juliana Martinez from Pagbilao.
Mga kababayan, palakpakan natin ang ating bagong hari at reyna ng Nyugnyugan!
Ginoong Niyugyugan from General Luna. Let's celebrate the new kings and queens of Ginoo at Binibining Niyugyugan 2024 and their amazing court. It has been a
That's absolutely correct, Amira. Congratulations to our newest Kings and Queen of Nyugnyugan Festival.